Classification of organisms. Classification is a way of understanding what an organism is. It involves putting things that share similar characteristics together into groups for easy identification and study. It is always useful to classify things because by placing them in an orderly manner, confusion can be avoided. The fundamental reasons why biologists seek to classify the 2 million or more organisms that exist on Earth are: they are vast in number, that is, they are many. In order to make it easier and less confusing when studying them, in order for a scientist to best understand them in details, in order that a common name is given to an organism which can be recognized worldwide, example, Homo sapiens, to create order out of disorder, that is chaos, in order to know how they arose, in order to know their interrelationship, create a chart so that if a new organism is discovered, we will know where to fit it. The kingdom is the largest group of organisms that biologists recognize. A kingdom is divided into subgroups called phyla. The 7 classification groups or units of classification include kingdom. A kingdom is divided into phyla. A phylum is divided into classes. A class is divided into orders. An order is divided into families. A family is divided into genera. A genus is divided into species. The science of classifying organisms into groups is known as taxonomy or systematics. Organisms have 2 types of names: common names and scientific names. Common names are the names by which organisms are known in different languages. Each organism has only one scientific or biological name, which is used and recognized everywhere in the world. The name is given in Latin and consists of 2 parts. Example, Homo sapiens. Rules for writing scientific names. Each organism has only one scientific name. Scientific names are Latinized, that is, they bear Latin endings. The first part is the genus or generic name and begins with a capital letter. The second part is a species or specific name and begins with a small letter. Both names are underlined when handwritten or italicized when typed. The scientific name of man is Homo sapiens. The scientific name of the horse is Equus caballus. Scientific name of a dog is Canis familiaris. This system of naming organisms by giving each 2 names is called binomial nomenclature. It was introduced by a Swedish scientist called Carolus Linnaeus or Carl von Linné. The naming of organisms by giving each 2 names. Example, domestic bird is called Gallus gallus. The butterfly is called Papilio demodocus. The okra is called Hibiscus esculentus. Rice is Oryzia sativa. Groundnut, Arachis hypogaea. Brown cockroach, Periplaneta americana. Yeast, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Maize is called Zea maize.